Well, I bought this Unimog 406 on a bit of a whim, really. I mean, it's obviously seen better days, but I think it has some potential either to get it up and running as a usable vehicle again, possibly as a restoration, but certainly as a spares source if all else fails. Well, this was a bit of an interesting discovery, this subframe that's fitted to it, which suggests it was a digger, a backhoe of some sort, I would say. I need to do a bit more research and find out what it was. I don't know how original this big frame is here, but certainly the frame underneath all looks original, but it's just been gas axed off with oxyacetylene. The Mog was originally a closed cab, but the previous owner said that had basically rotted away. So he tracked down this open cab, soft top version, which still needs plenty of work. Yet another cab that needs plenty of work, but is in much better condition than the old one. We've also got fiberglass hardtop, which is nice to have, and a good collection of parts to go with the truck. Some of them belong to it, some of them are additional parts. Nice find is this Werner winch. Need to have a look at that, see what sort of condition it's in. And there's a few other parts I've already put away. It tells me the engine is a runner, which would be great. If it was, we've done 3,500 hours, which isn't a massive amount, particularly for this engine. We've got the full Cascade gearbox, which is fantastic. Pleased to see that. 20 forward speeds, 8 reverse speeds. We have front and rear PTO. The PTO gearbox is there. Also had a 2-spool hydraulic system. It's got the valve block in amongst the parts, again, condition unknown. Not sure my plans with this yet, whether to restore it or just get it running in as-is condition or break for parts. Really don't know yet until I get into it and see what condition it's in. Maybe getting the engine running might be a future video. But today, I think it's about basically tidying up in the yard and putting things away, getting them out of the weather. Although saying that, it's been set outside for many years, I think. But at least if I get it out of the weather, it can dry out a little bit. If I decide to have a look at it, at least it's in a building. At some point I'll get it into the workshop properly, but I need to get rid of a few other projects first. I need to get them out of the workshop first before I've got room to do that. So who knows when I'll get a chance to have a look at this. Hopefully in the coming months. I think it's going to rain soon, it's going to be dark soon, so I'm going to start seeing if I can put this away, at least for now, until I can have a more detailed look at it. Well, I've run out of daylight really, but at least I've got it in the shed. Temporarily put the cab back on just to save space really. Really not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. If I can get the engine running, maybe it'll be a candidate for restoration. If not, maybe it's spares. Let me know in the comments if you like down below whether you think I should restore it or whether you think it's past it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.